ri Rashford kana Kevin De Bruyne naguo ri ukona mama waku akwaituka
mbere
we managia nake o awetoka hata fadhali ngenda klabu kuona hii bora Neo mendo ya mubira ri neo no ire ikiro we gwa seti
yes
we kundu ukora kira kiurite yes no ri wara metha ini ri kiresti stone
nathiete muno kajuo karia kanini
kiresti stone person gok
ane
yes nginya mawaita kuu ni makurate kama nunu ikitu wende todo ngana mubira wa ndaika naite na ikiro extra time na thota ici
igere
yes
icio nĩ ngirathi igĩrĩ by the way
na mubira wathire ona gwatigwo andũ ana arĩa mekũgũthaa rĩu
yes
rĩu nĩ kũrĩ ngũrania na wahota kwaga kũhihitwo nĩ ũndũ ũcio we ĩrĩa ũĩ nĩ
ĩno wagweta mbere
we ũĩ
yes soft
ithuĩ twĩna gathuki nĩtwĩ
ĩyo nĩ hard
twĩna kata
ĩndũ
aigua hena ngũrania
ĩno yegucia rĩ nĩ soft drink
rĩu rĩrĩa kũrona mũbira rĩ wĩita nĩ arora andũ arĩa mena na makahikuo
getha marĩkangie
gũthiĩ mũgũthiĩ oko ti gwa gũka kũcumba
ti wakwa indo
rĩu ona mũndũ etua wona nĩ ũrorirwo mũno rĩ ũgathama metha
athiĩ handũ hangĩ okoneka tarĩ customer mwerũ okorwo gwĩtĩtie thota mũirũ rĩ ũgetie wa macungwa rĩu kũu nakuo nĩkuo kũrĩ inegene rĩu rĩ cama rĩa mũbira rĩa kũhohania biũ
rĩu cia ikĩro cia igũrũ mĩkawa ĩno ĩ njatarĩ kwĩ mũbira na gũtarĩ ndũngĩmenya tofauti ũingĩra ũgakora people are doing business and they are watching the league
me biacara ciao
ũiguaga mũbira nĩ ũrathiĩ na mbere nĩ wĩkĩtwo volume nini kũrĩa maũndũ mothe marũgamagio twĩkĩrĩrwo commentator
no kĩro ndũkanegene
welcome to northern Spain here temperature soaring up to 58 degrees Manchester United facing off Arsenal what a clash up it is I tell you Kevin De Bruyne on this no kũrĩa ũigua it's gonna be De Bruyne no Martinelli you don't know what so much more what we always say I think we can crown that up to 2 million was it they have scored was it they have scored again they are doing a very good job I really love the way this is good football let's wait and see if they equalize so like I was saying we could
kuniko ushangiria leo
tutigenda mubira tu twenda kata fala wewe
wewe nikiwe
nini De Bruyne
koperona
tulinunua wa nini
hata inaambia vule
mtu tunanunua 2 million pounds anakuja kuuza huyu change wing wewe wing huko now De Bruyne afala wewe
kutindo geikiaja
ni nini wewe
pora kabisa
hata usiniwachana hiyo drink hata sitaki tuetakane uko mufira wadi tena mwaka ndangithikwa na mufira tikundu kwa it is interesting football I like the way they are articulating the soccer game. You know, I think the formation was quite good. The 4-4-2.
Yes.
I think the 4-4-2 was a very brilliant idea. I think Pep Guardiola is doing a good job.
Yeah.
Is that Onana?
I think. Yeah, he's on.
I don't know. I have a bad feeling about Onana. Onana has not been on a very good streak. Onana ni mtu maembe.
Kutuza kila wakati.
Nini wewe? Kila kitu ndaki ni nini Onana? Takange mi ufala mimi. Mundu tugona banja ciothe na nĩ mũndũ mũirũ
na ciothe araikiaja
ugatuwe Onana ni nini kitu hiyo nikitoka kushika oya ama umelipwa nini Natenda football match ila fuishirusia ground ito wa aufala na yeye nini na tuchukisia jaba makocha nginya mundu gwitwo referee urefa amelipwa walai hata hiyo VAR ni sijui ni nini top shotter Kwa nini? Hiyo kitu tumediglo fiti con J. Alafu anakuja kudai ni pena. Pala sana. Takange utiaji, ule refu mtiaji. Ndio alikuwa kwa ile history. Si ndio alikuwa ligi ya 2006. Same hata amezeeka retire. Kuja hapa ni umelipwa sijui na nani. Ina Guardiola wamekupanga nini? Meanwhile, call a 5-star. Well, I think that was not a very good decision. But anyway, let us see how this works out, Mheshimiwa.
Kahora.
Engineer, did you see what they did?
Yeah.
By my assessment, I think that was a foul. But anyway, let us see. You know, football is not everything. Where we watch it from, it is everything.
Oh, yes.
We even take the bad temper at home.
Yes.
After losing. Yes. You see, kwa 5-star. Kwa yu amewekelea. Hapana. Kwa amewekelea kichwa. No. Kwa amewekelea Arsenal kichwa. Gora bodo. Na hedio kuhete Arsenal odds. Ile kwa odds ngapi paswedi zina juu sana. Ahete Arsenal odd hakuwezi yothe. Na amewekelea kichwa.
Over 2.5.
Amewekelea over 2.5. Fala wewe ni nini unataka kuindia tukule atumalize?
Yes.
Kwaje ile ikisia mwisho. Kwaje ugekete nginya who to score first.
Oh, yes.
No abira warengerwo hau.
Siempre lleva así somoka.
Yes. Watu wakuwekelea watakangi mchezo. Ufala mngekuwa tu hapa tungewatandika walai. Tusiai kutana na De Bruyne.
Na makoro maonete timu pio.
Sasa ni nini hizo Haaland na ni mtu mrefu unaonekana wewe ni mzima. Haaland bure sana.
Oh yes. La kende kanti ene kamiro gore na idetu.
The league is back.
It is back.
It is back.